So now I'm checking with these button batteries and these little door alarms. These things are great, man. General Electric. I've already tested these. They're all blinking dead. So I didn't notice this before, but there's a test button on these things. And put these dead batteries back in. And I'm gonna push the test button and see what happens. Oh, see that? Green came up, but then it went down, almost out. It's good. So you can test them if you remember about them damn buttons. You know what I mean? The only thing with these things are a pain in the ass getting out of there. Alright, now we'll check these. Right? Buttons. %. I guess you can see that, I don't know. %, they're all 10. I know they are. You already checked them. Man, this one's really dead. Back to this one. Maybe I didn't have it on there good. Man. Okay. So they're dead. So I throw these away. I put this camera on pause. So now I'm going to test these new batteries. Make sure. %. Okay. 100%. Yeah. Okay. And that's it. So everything works out. This is my spare one. I just got this out. Here's the other part. Looks it matches up. One part on the door and one part on the sill. Works every time. It's alarm plus it's a door alarm. Chime. Off chime alarm. I got these at Walmart. And I think they had the same thing, but maybe a different brand or something. I think the same people make all of them. If it looks like this. Okay, that's it. Well, this thing is number 1. All right.